Hi everyone, I'm just going to show you quickly how to do a different kind of order. So if you do have your husband, team members or anyone in your area, you can actually share the postage. So here we go. So I'm just going to log into my husband's account and show you exactly how this works. So we just log into the online shop and as you can see his name pops up here. So what we need to do first is we need to go to our shopping basket. We need to go to, not our shopping basket, we need to go to the letterbox. Really sorry, I've only worked this out myself. The little letterbox which is next to your shopping basket. Just click onto that. Okay, and as you can see, we've got two lists here. One's mine and one's Lee's. So then we can collectively order on the same thing. We've got a little thing up here that looks a little bit like a sheet of paper. We're just going to click on this. So you can see Lee's added his invoice in here. So everything on his invoice will then be placed into our shopping basket. Then we're going to add a new business partner. So you can see here, it's not done it right again. So you can see here again, we've got business partners here who we can add. So we're going to add their invoices in as well. Okay. So everything that goes onto these invoices will then go into our shopping baskets. Okay. So I'm just going to randomly add a few things in and show you how it works. Okay, so everybody knows, well, should know, that if we order a points value of 580 points, then we will actually get free postage. Okay, so I've added the Nutricode Inner Balance onto mine. Then I'm going to add this one onto Lee's, and I'm going to add something else just to make it up to the 580 points. Okay, so it doesn't matter whether it's on one account or two accounts or 4 accounts or 10 accounts, it really doesn't matter. So then we're going to click on that little sort of postboxy type thing up here again, and what we're going to do is you can see everything's been added to a shopping list. So then these points, 400 points, will go onto Lee's account, and these 200 points will actually go onto my own account. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to click on shopping basket. Now you may have to do this a couple of times for the points to be actually added first time. Okay, and we're just going to add those ones in as well. So both of those invoices on separate ID numbers are going to go straight into your shopping basket. So then that gives you a collective points of 600, okay, and the total is 120 points. So if you are ordering for your business partners as well, guys, you will need to get the money off them first. Get them to send it to you either bank transfer or family and friends through PayPal. So then that way you don't get charged for the amount. Okay, now what I tend to do after that is just if it's on mine and my husband's account, we just add the discount for all numbers. So if I've got a discount on my account or Lee's got a discount on his account, it will go straight on to this order here and it will take it off of both orders so that it will reduce the amount that we actually pay. And then we'll go to place the order. So then you will see as we both placed an order together, our points value is 600 and we get free delivery. So we're just going to check out the same way as you would with a normal order that you're going to place for yourself. Look, as you can see, 600 points on both orders there, and you just order and pay. So it's that simple. If anybody does get stuck whatsoever, then just let me know and I will help you best I can. So I'll speak to you soon. Take care.